Best deals.
1. Puttu Maker. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Puttu Maker is durable, rust-proof, and safe for everyday cooking. Its unique hemispherical shape allows even steam distribution, ensuring fluffy, evenly cooked puttu every time. Whether you are making rice, wheat, or millet puttu, this tool delivers perfect results. Designed for convenience, it includes a steamer plate and a heat-resistant handle for safe handling. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Serving container. Is constructed of heavy-gauge stainless steel. It's perfect for water storage, food storage, milk boilers, and other kitchen tasks. Used for preparing tea, coffee, boiling milk and cooking more such liquid product. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Ice cube molds. Crafted from BPA-free flexible silicone, these trays ensure safe and easy ice removal without cracking or breaking. The removable leak-proof lid prevents spills and keeps your ice cubes fresh whilst protecting them from freezer odors. The charming embossed designs on the lids add a playful touch to your kitchen accessories. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Scoop. Made from quality stainless steel, this durable scoop resists rust, corrosion, and withstands frequent use. Ideal for various kitchen tasks. Ergonomic handle crafted from fine quality PP assure a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and increasing safety. Versatile scoop handles ice cream, butter, fruit, and more, simplifying various kitchen tasks and adding convenience. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Glass jar. With lids are the perfect size for storing a variety of items in your fridge or pantry. Made of durable soda glass with a food-grade plastic lid, it can hold fruits, jams, sauces and more. The airtight seal of the pay lid helps keep contents fresh for longer in the refrigerator or at room temperature. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Jars. With its specialized see-through glossy wide mouth container, where you can track your cooking essentials as well as check supply levels of food through containers. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tea maker. It is perfect for making fresh French coffee, tea, espresso, cold brew, or even latte. It is an ideal gift for coffee and tea lovers. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Peeler. Its double edge is ready to face the firmest peels while its ergonomic handle makes peeling as fun as it is easy. You can choose one from a collection of some exciting colors. Simply adds joy to your kitchen. Blades are made of Martensatex stainless steel. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Spin bucket mop. Stable handle for easily carrying bucket preventing spillage. The mop bucket comes with wringer that allows you to easily press excess water out of the wet mop without using your hands. Microfiber material with its unique feature of deep cleaning helps lift and trap fine dust, dirt particles. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Puttu maker. Is intelligently designed to ensure even steam distribution, delivering perfect cylindrical puttu every single time. Whether you're reliving your Kerala breakfast memories or trying it for the first time, it's never been this easy. Streamline your breakfast routine with the steamer, designed for nutritious and effortless breakfasts. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Glass bowl. Healthy, versatile, and stylish and is harder and tougher and ideal for kitchen, dining and daily uses in routine life. It's transparent, hence easy to view the content. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Blender. Patented NutriBlend technology ensures perfect blend every time. Blender is best for making delicious smoothies and juices. Get best results in making smoothies and juices. Get the perfect blend every time, giving rich and consistent texture. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Capsule. This attractive mirror finish container can be used to store snacks, cornflakes, dry fruits, chocolates. This storage container is rust-proof and hygienic. Made from 100% food-grade stainless steel, making it highly durable and resistant to corrosion. Sleek mirror finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Organizer. 2-tier under-sink organizer perfect for bathroom and kitchen storage, featuring pull-out drawers for easy access to items. Multi-level storage system maximizes vertical space utilization with adjustable shelves for bottles, cleaning supplies, and toiletries. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Desk bag hanger. Crafted from top-grade aluminum alloy for strength, supports all bags including backpacks. Keep your bag beside you, off dirty floors and crowded chairs, for safety and cleanliness. Ingenious folding mechanism makes it ultra-portable, fitting easily into any bag. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Ceramic jars. Soft floral pattern that adds a calm, premium look to your kitchen. Ideal for tea, coffee, sugar, or dry snacks. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Electric kettle. The design includes a dedicated spot for securely placing the power cord, making setup simple and safe. Inside, you'll find one lid, 2 compartments, a user manual, and the power cord for easy plug-in and use. Perfect for steaming dumplings, vegetables, or preparing soups, this cooker offers versatility and efficient cooking. Its sleek, compact design makes it an ideal addition to any kitchen, streamlining your meal prep while ensuring delicious results every time. The even heat distribution ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time, while the compact design fits comfortably in any kitchen. Whether you are cooking for one or feeding the whole family, this cooker provides a hassle-free way to prepare delicious dishes. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cookware. Is crafted from finest quality stainless steel. Its bonded construction of bottom consists of durable stainless steel encapsulating an aluminium core for even heating throughout. Mirror finish adds style to your kitchen to look more beautiful and well decorated. Energy efficient and induction compatible sandwich bottom prevents the food from getting burnt. These tope can be used both on gas stoves as well as induction cooktop. It has sandwich bottom induction base which is made up of steel, aluminium, steel, which promotes even and fast heating. So, you can use on gas when no electricity, and you can use on induction cooktops when no gas is available. This tope adds to your convenience as per availability of fuel options. The induction bottom of this cookware makes it efficient for cooking and saves fuel up to 35%, also saves electricity and time. Tops comes with an attractive and efficient shape, design and available in various sizes, hence taking care of all your kitchen needs. It comes with compact size which makes it easy to store in kitchen cupboards. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Lunch box. Your perfect everyday meal companion for work, college, travel or gym. Made with 100% food-safe stainless steel, this lunch box for office use keeps your meals safe, pure and fresh. It is 100% leak-proof, so juices, gravies and oily dishes stay inside without spills. This microwave-safe lunch box allows you to warm your meals safely, and its airtight seal keeps flavors locked in for hours. Designed for comfort and hygiene, the Allo lunch box is FDA certified, BPA-free, odor-free and stain-free, ensuring every meal is healthy and chemical-free. It is also dishwasher-safe, making cleaning effortless. The stylish machine-washable bag is durable, long-lasting and fade-proof, making it perfect for daily office use. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Peeler. Engineered with high friction zones to ensure a secure hold even when hands are wet or oily, designed for high-volume kitchen safety. Hardened stainless steel edges provide effortless resistance-free peeling. Product link is given in the 20th link.